Hello students, how are you? By the grace of God, weekly trading levels are ready and I am presenting over here. This Saturday, many member students asked me to present Aurora scale levels for all the four private banking stocks: HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, Axis Bank, Kotak Bank, and leading company Reliance. I'm doing the same as well as have added US 30, US 100, US 500, Nifty and the Bitcoin. All these stocks with Aurora scale, support and resistance levels I'm presenting over here. Thank you students. I want to read out acknowledgement of my stock market psychology Amazon book. This book is dedicated with my heartfelt gratitude to my thousands of students, investors and traders who have been the greatest source of my learning and inspiration over the past 3 decades. People often believe that teachers create students, but my experience has been exactly the opposite. My students have shaped me into the teacher, researcher, trader, and the author I am today. Every question they asked, every doubt they raised, every mistake they made, and every success they achieved encouraged me to think deeper, research further, and continuously improve my understanding of the financial markets. I firmly believe that teaching is the highest form of learning. Each lecture I delivered refined my knowledge, challenged my assumptions, and strengthened my conviction that market rewards disciplined thinking, patience, and sound risk management rather than emotions or predictions. Many of the concepts, case studies, observations, and practical insights shared in this book have evolved through countless interaction with students, investors, and traders during seminars, workshops, classrooms, webinars, and personal mentoring sessions. Their curiosity inspired me to search for better answers, and their feedback help transfer complex ideas into practical principles. I am equally grateful to my family, friends, and well-wishers for their constant encouragement and unwavering support throughout my journey. Their faith in me gave me the strength to continue learning, teaching, researching, and writing. Finally, I express my sincere gratitude to every reader who has chosen this book. I hope the knowledge, experience, and lesson shared here contributes positively to your journey as an investor or trader. If this book helps you avoid even one costly mistake or make one better decision, my effort will have been richly rewarded. With gratitude, R.K. Arora.